So we're having a little fun today. While I am enjoying my Facebook day party, I will be doing this look for you guys today. Just here to have a little bit of fun on YouTube. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful look. This is the look. Ooh, I forgot my lippy. Yes, I have this moisturizer on my lip and I forgot to put lips on. And I wanted to put on my NYX Butter Gloss. Oh, yes. I hope you guys enjoyed. I like this look. I'm in this Facebook day party, y'all. For that Rona. So my face is cleaned and not moisturized. So I'm going to moisturize my lips. Moisturize these lips.
Shout out to Erica Wright, just stepped in the room. Shout out to Atlanta on the check-in. What up, ATL?
Primer. Can't stop, won't stop, can't stop, won't stop. Primer. T-zone.
Latifah Snowden just stepped in. You know how I go, Tamil. Go. Yeah.
So, I'm going to start with eyes first. Eyes first. Eyes first. As y'all know, my brows are microbladed. But I'm going to go in with a little bit of brown mascara.
Yes, keep cheering. It's the day party.
LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm trying to be your friend.
Shout out to everybody who went to church today, man. If you was looking at it online, if you was on a phone call with your pastor, shout out to y'all right now. We need that, man. You know how it goes.
And my ex concealer as the eyeshadow base. And my ex no filter finishing powder as my transition. Going in my duo, Nicka K, and my contour color is what I'm going to use underneath that transition. We're doing a neutral color today, neutral eyeshadow look today. All browns today, browns and tans. Now I'm going to go on my NYX Avant palette. It's chocolate brown. It's a shade darker than that contour color I use. Go right underneath there. You want to layer up. Layer. You want that faded look. You don't want to know when one color starts and one color ends. You don't want to know that. That's how well you want to blend. Overlap your colors. Overlap them. I want to take this orange color that's in my Revolution palette. I feel like this orange color right here. I'm gonna put it up here. In between that transition and that brow bone. That's where I want to put it at. I want to warm up this look a little bit. I'm going to go back in my transition color and overlap that. That took the look to another level. Now I'm going to go darker in that same Avant palette. I had a long conversation with my husband just now, so I lost track of what I was doing. What was I doing? And my ex. Hello, photo. Place that on my lid and create the shape that I want. Take a fluffy brush and blend it out. I'm not doing a complete cut crease, so I don't want a harsh line. Just like that. Color right here. I can see it. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. Very pretty color. Blend, blend, blend. I like using whatever's left over. I feel like using on my brow bone instead of getting another color. So, because I always take my shimmer highlight anyway and go over that brow bone anyway. Ooh. 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 Pretty. Yeah, baby, come closer. My NYX, can't stop, won't stop. Come on. Other color. I gotta mix two different colors. Beauty blender. So if you see my last video, you know that with my concealer, because I don't have the color that I normally use, I take my natural concealer, Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and mix it with my foundation of Cappuccino. And mix it together for my under eye concealer. Too light, too light, too light, too light. And that's just the foundation alone, not mix. The cappuccino foundation.
You know how it go, man. It's slow, man. Shit alive. It's the day party. Here we go. It's the day party as we get ready to get it going. Let's go.
I don't know which wig I'm putting on yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour my forehead. My last video, I wore a wig with a bang, so I didn't have to do much contouring on the forehead. But I don't know what I'm doing today, so. Just like you should.
Right now, lick it good, lick this just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my just like that.
You know,
Matte mineralized skin finish. And give me sun.
share my love as we keep the day party going. Hey,
Jesus, turn me on. Got the
don't
hoes.
remember choice like this. Don't this hit make my people wanna Don't this hit make my people wanna but I shake the room. Swerve. Skirt, skirt. I need to see smokes. That's all I need to see. All smoke. Smoke emojis. It's big on that 12 up UA. But I shake the room. Swerve. Skirt, skirt. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. If she let it clap for it. She let it clap for it. If she throw it back for it. If she throw it back for it. Like a Mary, like a Mary. Billy Jean, Billy Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When they raise the pose, she like the way I like a Mary, like a Mary. Billy Jean, Billy Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When they raise the pose, she like the way I when I walk in the spot, know they owe me. Buy the cup, know that I'm paid.
Big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make 'em wait for the cook. Wait, hit it in these big old hey, feet on the bed. Hey, I mess him up in the head. Kiss it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red. Hey, daydreaming by hot rocket. Hit my phone with a horse, so I know Emmy come over and ride. Right, I'm on the way. Round on that thing, I'm like, hey. Usually I like to cut, but tonight we gon' make love 'cause you gay. Nobody know. I be with him on the low. We never show up together, but I text him when I'm ready to go. Hey, I had a couple of shots at the
Yes.
I'm finna play with the thing.
Once again, if you need this CD, you can hit me after live.
Nobody tripping like me. No, get what you need like me. No, ain't nobody got up on their tiptoes and broke to the tip like me. Hey, I got him, but
Before we get up out of here, I gotta take you to the next level.
he begging me for the treat that he don't feel when I leave.
If you tuned in, you know what time it is. about to blow Chicago up. Trying to take a train name. Hey. I be on it all night, man. I be on it all day. Straight up pimp. If you want me, you can find me in it.
Yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. How could you wish you never play me? Had no time for that. Damn. Play me.
I know what type of people you gotta stay away from. You gotta stay away from these type of people in your life, man. Break it down. Oh, you see it.
I'm like,
This how you rock at the end of the party when you try to get all the joints in. Right now, y'all. We gotta get y'all in here. Every day, asking me a question like y'all, where you stay?
So I was gonna grab one of my wigs, and then when I took my bonnet off, I was like, I'm not gonna grab a wig. I'm just gonna embrace my fro. I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks, and it's literally be underneath that bonnet or underneath a wig. And I'm just gonna embrace it. I have not put anything in it literally in like 4 days. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look.